We are come at Sukh Mahal. Sukh Mahal is at the lake over here.
Honey, 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 honey.
Good morning, guys. The time is 7:27 and we are at Dabai Ka Kund in Bundi. We had gone to Rani Ki Bauri. It was closed 9:45. It will open. So by the time we are come over here. Now we are at Targad Killa. It is very nearby from the Rani Ki Bauri. Too much to climb. Hamza Zainanbab is tired by seeing the Tadav. Here you have to pay 80 rupees for per person. There's a sign on the reception wherein it says rupees 500. Be aware, because rupees 500 is for international tourist and for Bharatiya Nagrik 80 rupees. It's written in Marathi over there or Hindi 80 rupees. This is the Sinhasan of Raja, which you can't touch or go over there.
Nahargarh Fort is the oldest fort in Rajasthan. The location of the fort is quite remarkable as it is one of the first forts to be built upon a steep hill, being the trendsetter for the rest of the forts to come in Rajasthan. Well, can you imagine that? Constructed in 8th century by Raja Ajay Raj Chauhan, there are basically 3 gateways to enter the fort. All the 3 gateways are ruined now. And before, the Targa fort was used as a crucial military center during the rule of Mughals in India. But after a few years, when the town of Ajmer was annexed by Britishers, the fort was converted and used as a sanatorium. As in, it was used for medical treatments of people who were having chronic illness.
See all these drawings of Chitra Mahal, Raja, and then there is a part wherein this fort is half of government property and half is private property. Private property is owned by some local over here and he's maintaining it, and government property is like up. What I was telling you all, the government owned property is not at all kept intact. You can see the wall scraping off naturally, and here at night you can't enter after 5:30 because some forts are haunted. Some kind of sand. Bat sign. Bats. What a wagul. A bit of a task, I know, but a plus point is you are here, you are investing your time over here, you have come so far, and if you can't visit this, then it's like you are missing out on something. That's what I feel.
From here onwards, we were separated as Amay and Zenon were tired of climbing the hill. So I continued alone on top of the fort to explore the place, not knowing what was stored for me.
Way to Rani Mahal, the topmost building over there.
I was very keen on exploring the place on my own. This was the start of me getting the spooky feelings. Just look at the building, hideous, but at the same time it looks beautiful. The spooky feelings which I usually never get because we travel mostly during night times and having many weird experiences, but this was something different. Never felt like this in a long time. were the rooms which I wanted to explore, but you can see myself just stopping near the entrance and just avoiding going inside.
ही नहीं दे रहा है इधर. As in, there are some drawings over here.
After this moment, I just felt like leaving from the Mahal, as I felt like somebody was watching me. You can also hear my voice toned down.
The palace is very huge. You can easily get lost. You can easily get lost over here. Easily. It's so huge. It's so big over here. I hoped this guy would have come. I would have explored more. Here there is literally nobody, but I know the time is like 9:22, but I'm getting a feeling that somebody is like watching me. I don't know if that makes any sense to you, because you guys are not over here. I'm just exploring this place alone. I'm getting that vibe. A weird thing for me to feel like this, but the thing is that nobody is over here, and it's 9:24 a.m. It's a.m. Okay, I just went inside. There was this one room which I went to. It was all blacked out. I didn't shoot it because I wanted to see the room first. The lighting was not that good. I felt like somebody is watching me from there. Some crazy things. Where the arrow leads me. There's one more over there. This might be the rainwater. See this place. It's a huge lock. It's a very huge lock and very heavy too. Time is 10 now and we are come here to have some breakfast. And after breakfast we'll be going to Rani Ji Ki Bawri.
Ah, that down over there.
Bro Rani, how are you? Smile kar mare. Now it's 10:22 and the Rani Ki Bawri is open and it's free. Today is Rajasthan Divas, it seems. So Rajasthan Divas means everywhere we go the government monuments are for free. The time is 10:44 and we have to the Royal Enfield showroom because Amay is facing his bike. The cone set is not proper, so we have just come here to check up a cone set. Amay's bike is getting ready over there. Yes. Yes. You know, this is a very nice guy who is in Royal Enfield showroom. If you guys are coming to Bundi, must visit Pratik over here from Royal Enfield. आपको पूरा information बता देगा सभी.
Sukh Mahal is one of the most beautiful mahals in Bundi. This fabulous palace was built by Maharaja Umed Singh during his rule.
At Sukh Mahal or any other place, videography is strictly prohibited.
It was once the summer palace of Maharajas and was highly luxurious place to be. Must visit attraction during Rajasthan travel.
The time is 1:41 and we have left from Bundi to Ajmer. That is 189 kilometers. Bundi to Ajmer. So let's see when we reach over there. You have to reach to Pushkar Lake. The time now is 3. We are here to have some food. There's a bit of an issue. Lots and lots of wind blast which is going. You can see how fast the winds are over here. Pushkar Lake is one 68 kilometers from here. Let's see when we reach. It's 4:36 and I was having my lunch over here. It's too windy. It's too windy to ride. Windstorm everywhere. We used to read in books. Rajasthan windstorms and it. Now we are seeing it live.
So what we studied in geography about the Lu wind, the strong gusty winds, that is what we are experiencing now. As you can see, high wind speeds, very difficult to ride. Bikes are moving, shaking, can't ride.
So the petrol is 97.20 rupees liter. This is how they carry hay for cattle. The time now is 6:28. We are at Java showroom because Xenon's bike is having some issue with the cone set and with the chain because it's not lubricated properly. Half an hour to go to Pushkar Lake.
ये क्या है? गुरुद्वारा.
Turn right toward Parry Karmamarg, then turn right onto Parry Karmamarg.
The time is 7:49 and we have just reached Pushkara Lake. I don't know what I'll be showing you guys, but I'll try to show something. The time is 9 and we are at Ranchi temple, the old temple. This is it, and this is open for 24 hours. We got the darshan of the temple, the closing ceremony which they perform. Now we are leaving for Jaipur. Well, it was around 12:45 and we had reached Hotel Kalyan in Jaipur. Unfortunately, Jaipur was under night curfew, so we had to eat packet food and sleep.
That is our fellow server there. It's also our fellow server here.
And there is
This is cycling boy. Cycle boy.
and this is pigeon.
And this pigeon.